Welcome to a time in the life of a content creator who's trying to find his voice again. I have 2 midterms this week, and Lily's out there watching movies right now. So I have about 20 minutes left to study before I have to prep dinner. Let's do it. That's all the time I have for studying, so it's about time for me to fix up dinner. Tonight we have spaghetti. It's dinner time. I'm making spaghetti tonight. Here we have some Beyond, we have some spaghetti, I'll chop up an onion, and then I'll see what else I can mix in there just for funsies. Just finished up the food, so it's dinner time for me and Lily. Then I'm gonna put her down and get back to studying. I'm a little out of breath. I just put Lily down and was dancing and putting away dishes, and now I'm gonna get the dishes ready for them tomorrow. Tay and I went on a trip recently to Alabama, which was really awesome, and I got to meet a bunch of Tay's family. But when I got back, I have struggled to get back on my routine. My routine has been really nice. I'll wake up early, I'll run, and I'll journal, and I'll do some other things in the morning before Lily wakes up and we go to school. And it's been very cathartic and very good for my headspace. But I'm trying to get back on this routine, but that means really early mornings, and my bedtime has not yet adjusted, so I'm tired. I'm reading this book right now that my friend Dylan recommended to me called Doing Good Better, and a large part of the beginning part of the book is talking about using the assets that we otherwise have, like numbers, data analytics, and just outright like decision-making methods, and just plain old tracking to make decisions about good things. And it got me thinking about the way that I set and do goals. I have a problem that I think a lot of people with ADHD have, where you'll get really excited about an idea, and then 2 to 3 weeks in, you'll just completely lose steam for that idea. So I'm trying to find a way that I can keep myself accountable and actually stick to longer term goals. I think I might have found it. No. I realized I just put my tea streamer thing through the garbage disposal, but I'm gonna see if I can fix it. That might be good enough. Used to have a little teacup there at the bottom, but looks like that is gone. But as long as it holds tea, and it looks like it might, we're back in business. We got a package today from Alpin, which I am always excited to check out. I got to meet Kendra, the founder of Alpin, a couple months back in Dallas when she came down. Ooh. Very nice. I will be using this tonight. Now it's study time. It is 5 a.m. I am sleepy, but I am up, and it's time for my morning run. It was a slow shakeout 2 miles. I had a big old leg day yesterday and ran also a little bit harder, so today I was just trying to get my mileage in and not really stress the system too much. Now it's time to journal and get some coffee going. Oh, hello, kitty cats. How are y'all doing? It is 6:30, and guess who is up early? Lily is. She normally doesn't wake up until 8, so this is an unexpected surprise. Now I gotta figure out when I'm gonna study. I thought I had an hour and a half. I got some strawberries for breakfast.
I love strawberries.
Hello, socks. Come on, guys. Yes, Cheddar. Hello. We just finished up our workout. It's time for me to shower. I have a consultation call with a therapist today in like 30 minutes, and then I have to rush off to class. So I gotta hurry. I finished one of my midterms. I have another one tomorrow, but right now I'm watching Lily, so we're gonna go get my car cleaned.
That's not the right one.
Yeah. Where are we going?
To the car wash?
To the car wash. It is car cleaning time. You ready? So, if you want to spray, let's not do that one. Let's do the other one.
Why?
Huh?
Why am I?
Because that one's for windows. No, don't spray inside the car with that, okay? Come here.